Hey friends, if your application stays minimized in the taskbar in Windows and it doesn't maximize automatically, then try the solutions I'll explain in this video. So the first solution is to restart the Explorer process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for it to load and then you will find the Explorer process here. Right click on it and then select Restart. The next solution is to perform a malware scan on your system. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan Options, Full Scan, and then click on Scan Now. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.